Washington DC.
At last.
At last. So now we're going to do everything we can in 3 days. So we're going to start with the Lincoln Memorial, which is right behind us there. And it's actually a beautiful city for the folks who haven't been here before.
So we're going to visit all our favorite memorials and monuments, and we will post them on our channel.
Yeah, I don't think it's just our favorite. I think it's millions of people's favorites.
Maybe they have
There's, yeah,
hours now.
Hour-
We're going to do.
hours today, yeah. Okay, so we're going to start with the Lincoln Memorial, and I hope you enjoy it. Nothing much for quite respect here. Right in front of the Lincoln Memorial is the reflection pool. It's a fantastic place to visit. But you have to do a lot of walking. You just walk all the way to the top to the monument, and then behind it is the Capitol Hill. First we're going to go to the Vietnam Memorial, which basically is a bit of a detour now. We've got to go back to another street there, and then we're going to come back to the reflection pool. Right, let's do that. Let's stand. I need to explain something about the Vietnam Memorial. The Vietnam Memorial Wall is actually done like a diary, and it starts behind me. If you can see, let me see my finger is right there. It starts 59 and literally wraps around and comes back and finishes in 1975. So that's how it works, and it's literally based on a day-by-day battles. So the first casualties of 1959 were 3 casualties. The soldiers got killed in 1959 and went all the way around. So let me show you something here on the wall. Everything means something on this wall.
On this Vietnam Memorial is that a young lady by the name of Maya Ying Lin of Athens, Ohio, actually undertook this project, and the makings and the design behind it took 11 months.
Yeah. And it was, all the money was
donated. She raised all the money.
Yeah, the government got donated a cent. So, good job. Marian Memorial, it's a very interesting memorial, but you've got to come at night. It's actually, they light up every soldier, and it's very impressive. So we might come back here later. The thing is about Korean War, nobody seems to talk much about it. It's one of those wars which was between Second World War, people were tired of wars, and the Vietnam War. So it's a very, not many people speak about it that I know of anyway. So I feel bad for the poor veterans and the guys who got killed in that war, because it's not very much spoken about. Anyway, so we're gonna go check it out, and we'll let you know how it goes. Next stop is the World War II Memorial, and it's right by the Washington
Memorial.
No. It's right by the monument, Washington Monument. So we're going to walk now towards the World War II Memorial, and the next one will be Washington Memorial. So we're actually at the World War II Memorial, and it's separated by the ocean. So the battles were taken part, so Atlantic and Pacific, and there's no Europe for some reason. Anyway, and then there's columns. Each column represents a state that fought in this war. So actually right behind us, me see if I can do this. Oops, wrong way. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Anyway, right behind us. Right behind us is the Pacific. And then the other side is the Atlantic. So I'll show you that now. Okay. Washington Memorial was Monument, was built in 1884.
And is dedicated to George Washington.
And it was the tallest standing building in the world at that time. And it's made of all like concrete.
It's called the
Obelix. Yeah, so we're now going to walk towards it. We can actually go to the top, but not today. You have to book and it costs $1. You have to do it online, but I think they sell out really quick.
Yeah, it's actually for free. It's just a service charge. So you actually go in an elevator for 500 feet.
Yeah, so we're going to try and see if we can go there. We've still got a 3 days in Washington, so we're going to try and see if we can still go to the top. But today, we can't do it. Right, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Towards it to show you how wide this thing is. This is in. This is probably the last thing for our day today, and it's the Capitol Hill right behind us.
And it was a wonderful day, a lot of energy, walking in the sun. We enjoyed it, right? Exercise.
I am burned.
Mr. Ends.
I'm burned, I'm dehydrated. I haven't drank enough water. Anyway, so right behind us is the Capitol Hill. It's under construction or renovation, whatever they call it. So we're going to try and go as close as possible. We tried to go to the White House, by the way, and we weren't successful. Then another place to visit is Dupont Circle, and
Very
it's
vibey.
very vibey. You can see in the background lots and lots of restaurants, and around the back there you can see all the nice architecture. So we're just going to walk around this area and see if maybe we can get a bite to eat or drink, because I'm dying of thirst, Mrs. N. Okie dokie. Bye. Wow, listen to the noise.